Welcome back to Tracy Finance 101. For some of you guys who are kind of little hesitant to invest, but you don't know what to do with your money, so you let it sit in the bank. You let it sit in Bank of America, just getting regular pennies, and you guess what's happening to your money while you're letting it sit and wait? Banks like Bank of America are taking your money and they are investing it. But I understand not everybody's cut out for that. Not everybody. So what I suggest is place your money in a high yield savings account. A high yield savings account. Now there are stipulations, but the important thing is is that it's federally insured. Your money is safe. You're not feeling as if you got to gamble and lose your money. And you can just shop around online. Make sure it's federally insured. Most of them are. And I would not suggest having a direct deposit, but just try it out. Allow yourself to have a savings account only at this bank until you feel like you can trust them. Then let's just play around with the benefits of high yield savings account because it's really a great benefit. Now, if you go to any little site like NERP Wallet, they have a high yield savings calculator tip. So what you do is say, for example, I have $1,000, Tracy. So what do I do with it? I don't want to lose it. It took me too long to earn it. Perfect. What you do, invest it. Just do a search, find a high yield savings account. I have one with my credit union and it's really high, but I was a member for a long time. So I get a rate that they don't advertise online. But currently the rates are pretty good. Their average is like 5.3. At the time of this video, it was about 5.3. So what you do is you go onto a site like Nerd Wallet. They have a calculator. Let's say you have $1,000, and that's you just leave it in there and you forget it. Okay, you just put it in there and forget it. Let's say the interest rate is 5.1. What would be your balance at the end of the year? Well, you'll safely earn $52. But my loves, here is the beauty. You guys go to Starbucks, you guys do stuff with your money. I know you do. I see everybody. So let's just say we put our $1,000 in there, and every month, how about we put $80 in there every month? $80. Now let's see how much that money will grow. Let's just check it out with the calculator. Your money will double to $2,035. You heard me, double in 1 year. That is great, great, great money right there, my loves. Let's say you had $5,000. Let's play around with this. This is really cool. Let's just say you had 5,000 and you only want to put $80 a month. And don't tell me you can't put $80 a month. I don't want to hear it. If you put $5,000, you put in $80 a month, it's going to jump to $6,244. So that you got $1,244. Don't say you can't put $80. I see too many people running up to Starbucks. I see too many people with too many subscriptions to all these extras. You cut out some of those subscriptions, but you can afford $20 every week. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. If you're saying no, that's just the devil talking. Say yes, you can. Yes, I can save $20, total of $80. Put that in your high yield savings account, my love, and make money. You will double your money and get a little extra just with $1,000. And hey, if you want to got a little bit more, just watch your money grow. And the best thing to do is just to forget about it. Have that money automatically coming out. Those with, those deposits, have them automatically coming out of one account and going to another bank. Automatically do it. So you don't have to hem and haw about it. It just comes out. Eventually you'll forget about it until one day you look back at your high yield savings account and your eyes will explode. They'll go big as saucers because you'll be so surprised. Trust and believe. Just $1,000, you're not losing any money. You're not going to lose any money. So your job right now is to go online and find a high yield savings account. And let's just go 5.1. There are some that are 5.3. There are stipulations. Some might say, hey, you know what? You can't have access to your money for a year. Well, you know what? If you don't need the money, fine. There are some that say you have to open up a direct deposit. Now we ain't trying to do that yet. We're not trying to do that yet. We got to get to form a relationship. So don't do direct deposit. It's nothing wrong with it, but I wouldn't do it. No. Two, we're just trying to test the waters here. So we're just playing a little experiment. We want an account, federally insured, and just to see how well our money grows within a year. We're not going to be too committed into this thing. All right, so we're not going to be doing direct deposits. We're not going to put large chunks of change. I mean, if you got it like that, swing it. But these are for the people who are a little timid. So I suggest for my shy ones to go gently. There are a lot of banks out there that allow you to have some freedom. They allow you to even take some withdrawals, but we're not going to withdraw. We're not going to touch that money. We're going to leave it there. We're not going to touch that money. We're going to leave it there. And there are some banks that are willing. So just go down their little checklist of what they allow you to do. And if it suits your purpose, go ahead, my loves. Go ahead and make that money. Don't be shy. You're not going to lose anything. This is not investing. But it is kind of investing, but it's the safest kind of investing because you're just gaining interest. But it's high yield interest. It's not that little bit of pennies that they're giving you in the regular bank account. So we're trying to get some high yield savings, okay? So only stop when it says high yield savings. Doesn't say savings, yeah. Doesn't say high yield savings, yeah. It's high yield savings. We are only looking for high yield savings. So when you put your search, type in high yield savings bank, and you can put federally insured too, but pretty much all the banks are federally insured. So that's what you're going to look for. High yield savings only, my loves. And we're only looking for 5.1 and above. 5.1 and above. You hear me? All right, my loves. Let me know how it goes in the comments section. And do you appreciate this information? Because you're going to get money. Your money, that little $1,000 that you're going to put in the bank, if you put in $80, it's going to double and then some. Trust and believe. Put it in a nerd wallet. They got a calculator. I'm not lying here, my loves. This is how you can grow that little money and grow rich. But thinking. And I'm here to think for you, my loves, and to keep you rich. All right, I'll check you all out on the flip side.